Okay, I was going to do a quickie little test here. So I got, oops, whoa. So I got a rivet in. I'll put the rivet over here into my, I have a flat, oops, where am I at? A flat die, or flat rivet set in there. So I freaking do this. Okay, so I got the rivet in there. It's in the hole. Gotta get it sort of level. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. Can you see? Oh, can you see? Why is it not? There we go. Okay, now I'll push it in. Set it. Okay, so that's how you would do a dimple using the rivet as the dimple tool on the other side of the tool. So it works to do it that way. It just doesn't. So that's the other way you do it. You just use a rivet to do it. So it doesn't hurt the rivet. It's okay. So I didn't have it set up to show that before, so I figured I'd show that real quick. So it's a quickie, how to rivet how to do a dimple for riveting flush rivets. So there you go.